This is a really easy way to make money off XRP. It's a slow cooker. I'm doing it on isolated. Look, it's the weekend. It's Saturday night, right? But you got to know, this is a fan favorite XRP. I'm here on BitTuneX, my favorite exchange. Now, when I trade something like XRP, which is like an STD, shitcoin transmitted disease, what I do is I trade it on, I trade it on isolated, not cross. See, I'm on isolated here. And let me show you my trade down here. So it is an isolated 14x trade. I'm all in. So I got a fixed liquidation price of $2.43. We're at $2.57. I take a screenshot when I start of the back. And as of right now, I'm up about almost $2,000. So how did I do that? Well, if we look close here, I did the same thing. 14x, isolated. Okay, I put, what did I put in here? I didn't have that much in the, I only had like $7,000 in the whole exchange. Well, I made 39% on the trade, so $2,000. So I entered again. Okay, I took a screenshot. I like to do before and after. It's the only way to tell if you're really making money. So I entered again. This time it went against me a little bit. Okay, I'm in the whole wallet. I put in now. The whole $9,000, I put the whole thing in at 14x. I was down 7%. Now I'm only down 2%. I'm about to win again. The next time I win, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the whole thing in the trade again. Okay, which I'm about to win again. Saturday and Sunday, they're going to FOMO this. Why? There's an event. You're not in my Discord, are you? There's a link to get in the description box. I don't message you when you come in. And if you come in with Nitro, I will ban you. People use Nitro to impersonate me. But you can make easy money with this one all day long because there's FOMO on XRP all weekend. Why? Let me have the beautiful Miley Coco tell you. Okay? So today is the 11th. You know, she's really into this. She's had some massive trades. $500,000 trade for the Miley Coco. Speak.
Miley Coco replied to Beatso the SEC's final appeal date is on the 15th, and Gary Gensler is set to resign on the 20th, which coincides with Inauguration Day. Miley Coco said expecting a nice run up till 14th then volatile, let's see.
Yeah, so we're here now, we're probably in the money again. I've been playing this all day. The only time I'll ever use 14x is something like this. Now, once I win this one, I'm going to leave this for a while, let it shake and bake. Because, we're almost green. Yeah, there we go. The fees are way lower at 14x, but you got to do it on isolated and only on something like this. Now, my next trade where I'm going to go the whole wallet in again, I'm going to wait till it pulls back a little bit. I've been watching, hold on, in my Discord here. Let's go to the daily trade updates. I've been watching it. This is the day's move. But if you look at the 1 hour, I don't have the 1 hour handy. I like the Coinbase chart. It's great. Let me see if I pull it up for you. The stunning Miley Coco. Don't let her take all the money. So here's the 1 hour chart. So we're pretty much at the top of the 1 hour right now. So I'm going to close this one out in profit. Okay, we're still way ahead of where we started. Okay, I'm going to close this one out in profit. I'm going to wait. I'm going to set up, and I'm going to look for that drop. Usually we drop into the nighttime, but Sunday they should FOMO this up again. So just ride it up and down. The link for BitTuneX is below. Link to get into my Discord is below. This has been really easy. Like, just set it and let it run. On the weekends, FOMO runs wild. Okay, and again, you want to be on isolated. Don't go higher than 14x if you're on isolated because the spread between you and liquidation is too high. If you have, I go the whole wallet in. If you have money left over, okay, this is again what money you intend to lose, okay, or can afford to lose. The fees are very low when you do this. Look, we're printing money, $250 by the minute, and this started down. I took a screenshot. I was down 7%. Okay, so look, you don't want to change your leverage. Okay, if you got money left, like an extra $300-400, you click the pencil. See, that's your liquidation price. Whatever money you add to this, your buying margin, yeah, it's epic. It gives you a further distance between you and liquidation at that same 14x. And 14x with something like this is all you need. This is this weekend only. A wild event. Come into my Discord, get updated, check the daily trade updates, get involved in the community. Let's get that money, building that wallet step by step. And the screenshot tool that I use here, Screenshot Master Full Page Capture, you can find under this video for free. Let me walk you through the link list, okay? So, you might not see it. If you're on your phone, I pin it to the comments too here, but look for more. There's your Discord invite. If it says that it don't work, you have a Discord problem. You've been banned somewhere. It's not us. That's an active link. BitTuneX, sign up now. No VPN, no nothing. BingX, they want a VPN. It's like a condom. MargX, I like it. Learn to trade from me directly. Extra $500 off this special promo this weekend. Click the link, find out more. Discord invite. In case this first one you missed it, there's a second one. Make sure you check my daily trade updates, the Start Here room, the Oracle strategies, the Discord only videos, and it's all free. Bybit, great exchange. How to KYC legally. Bybit, no US residents. They are strict. My Twitter, X, whatever. Follow my ex. She's fucking hot. Join my email group. Get one of my ebooks. Free. Screen capture tool I use. And then a whole bunch of jargon. My email. My website. My life. My art. My money. Everyone have a nice day. Links below.